In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off an alarm on any Fitbit watch. And I'm also going to show you what sleep mode is and what the purpose of it is and how it's set. And then also how to turn off the vibrate, make the vibrating a little bit quieter, because that's one thing that kind of annoys me. So let's go ahead and set an alarm, show you how to set an alarm and how to take it on, take it off. So basically you just scroll to the left and hit alarm here. So that shows the little icon for alarm. And you're only allowed to have 8 entries on your alarm. So if you're wanting to know why you can't put a new alarm on, it's because you're only allowed 8 entries. So what you'll have to do is actually delete one of them if you want to add a new one. So for example, the red indicates that it's not activated right now, and the yellow means that there's one that's activated. And of course you can set it up to work every day or every other day or on Wednesdays. So let's go ahead and deactivate one of them. So you click on it. We'll click on the 9 a.m. or 9 a.m. We clicked on it, and then I could turn it on if I want to reactivate it, or I scroll all the way down. I could change the days, and then I have to put it removed to get rid of it. That way it'll free me up another confirm. That way it'll free me up another space. Now to create a new alarm, on the very bottom, you scroll to the very bottom, you click new alarm. And I'm going to set my new alarm, and then I could go here on the hour and then the minute until I get to where I want. So let's say I want 1:39. To back up, I just hit back once, 1:39, and then have it on. Now I want to do smart wake, and so I click on smart wake. Okay, and let me tell you what smart wake is. Smart wake is basically you have your alarm set, let's say, for 6 o'clock in the morning. So what's going to happen is when you have that function on, the Fitbit is not going to wake you up exactly at 6 o'clock. 30 minutes before 6 o'clock, they're going to feel your movement on your wrist, how much you're moving around. If you're in deep sleep, let's say from 5:30 a.m. to 5:45 a.m., they're going to say, it's going to say, okay, I'm going to let you sleep, and then it'll to the right time to where you're moving a little bit. Then it's going to wake you and start vibrating. The reason is because the watch doesn't want you to get out of your deep sleep, so it wants you completely rested. And then if you're starting to move around at 5:30, then it's going to start vibrating to kind of start waking you up. Okay, and so if you want to change it to AM and PM, just like you did with the hour and the minute, you go to the AM and you go to PM. So you just drag it up and down. Let's go ahead and back out of that. So if I want to do it, so for example, if I go back to my 9:39 setting and hit on it, I could change the days if I want to do it every day. I could just do, choose which day I want it on. If I want to do it every day and just speed it up, I'll just click every day. See that? And then, of course, to remove times, that's easy, right? You just click on it once to make it red. I'll just click on off. Now, as far as the vibration, if I want the vibration to be strong or light, what I do is go back into my home by double clicking. I'll go all the way to the left, and I go to settings right here, and then I go all the way down to where it says vibrations. I click on it, and I can make the vibration strong, or I can make the vibration normal. If I go to sleep mode, dims display and silence calls and notifications. So you want to do sleep mode if you're sleeping and you don't want to get disturbed. If you want to disactivate the vibration and it's just too loud for you, just put your watch on sleep mode. and that'll fix the vibrations. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching. And also, tell me what you think about the Fitbit watch. I like it. I like it. I think it's better than the Samsung Active 2 watch, in my opinion. But let me know what you think about it. All right, thanks for watching.